Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you. Today I am discussing the determination of focal length of convex lens using optical bench. I am using a very simple setup here. Uh, Source, and the source is a simple candle, and another thing is screen. The distance between the source and screen is fixed, and we put a lens here. Okay, say the distance from the source is x. So automatically this will be d minus of x. Now I am using the formula to determine the focal length. So formula is simple, 1 by v minus of 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay. Now v is negative here because a real image is formed. U is positive here and f is also negative. So using this sign convention, uh, I just change the formula like this. So this will become 1 by v plus of 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Now what is v? V is simply, as you seen from the diagram, d minus of x. U is x. So using this formula become d minus of x. Oh, কথা দেখছি করছি কথা বলছে। You see the first set of experiment. Here a distinct image of the flame of a candle is formed for the first position of the lens. As you see, now the lens is nearer to the source. And distinct image is formed on the screen. This is the second set of experiment where I moved the lens toward the screen and a distinct image is formed on the screen. As you see in this time, the image is much sharper but smaller and the lens is far away from the source. So the real experiment presented here, the distance between screen and source is fixed and it is about 90 centimeter. And for the first set of experiment, the distinct image is formed for a distance of lens from the source is 20.2 centimeter. That is x1 is 20.2 centimeter. For the second set of experiment, I moved the lens towards the screen and a distinct image is formed at a distance 51.4 centimeter from the source. So now D1 is known, D known, X1 is known and X2 is known. From these three data, I can calculate the focal length of the lens, and focal length of the lens will be F equals D square and delta X square by 4D. Now what is delta X? X1, X2 difference X1. So it is simply X2 minus of X1. Now X2 is 51.4 minus 20.2 and this is 31.2. So X2 minus X1 is 31.2. Now put it here. So this will be 90 square minus of 31.2 square divided by 4 into 90. Okay. So 90 square minus 31.2 square. So 90 square minus 31.2 square is equal to 7126.56. 7126.56. 26.56 divided by 4 into 90, that is 360. Again, divided by 360. Now it is 19.7. So the focal length of the lens is 19.7, nearly equal to 20 centimeter, which is supplied by the compact. So as you see, by this experiment, we can easily find out the focal length of an unknown lens, and it is comes pretty close, 19.7. So I think you can do the experiment in your own. Thank you for your patience. Uh, Please subscribe me and follow my channel.